This video will go over how to get to the progress monitoring page to submit scores for the following probes: Reading Maze in Mathematics, Concepts, and Applications, otherwise known as the MCAP. Each of these probes follows the same process to get to the progress monitoring page, but requires that you give and score the test before doing so. As a reminder, the administration and scoring instructions for each probe are still different from one another, but are the same as the instructions from when you baseline the students. Before you can progress monitor a student, you have to make sure you have created a goal for that student. If you have not done this, please see the How to Create a Goal in AIMS video tutorial on how to create that goal. To start, you will need to log into AIMS. To do so, open up your class link. Once in class link, you need to find your assessments folder. Open the folder and you should see AIMS Web Plus already there for you. Make sure that you see AIMS Web Plus and not just AIMS Web. You will double click on the icon and it will take you to the single sign-on page. Wait a second and it should log you in automatically. If it does not, exit out and come back to this page and try again. AIMS will always bring you to the benchmark tab when you log in. To enter progress monitoring scores for these probes, you are going to go to the Monitor tab, and from here you are going to select your class or group and then your measure. So in this case, my class is 1B, and my measure is the Reading Maze. Okay, you might have to scroll a little further down to find those. Then you're going to click View Refresh. This will bring up any students that you've created a goal for in these probes. Once you've found the student that you would like to input scores for, you are going to click the little person icon underneath Assess. Notice that it is lit up in red. That means that scores can still be put in for this week. If it is grayed out, that means that scores cannot be put in for this week because the student has already gotten scores for this week. So you're going to click the Assess button, and then you are going to put in the date that the student took the test. The nice thing here is if you missed putting in last week's test, you can still do so, but make sure, so this week is the week of August 27th, and I am putting in last week's test and the week before. So I need to make sure to click the 14th when I put that score in. Okay, then I'm going to put the number of correct, let's say it was 12, and the number of errors, and that's 3. I can either click Submit, and then it's going to just go back to this page, or I can click Add Another. If I click Add Another, I want to confirm that those are the scores, and I want to add more. Then I need to put the date of the next test, put the number of correct, the number of errors, and then click Submit. Confirm that these are your scores, and you're good to go. To put in the MCAP scores, you will need to change the measure to the Mathematics, Concepts, and Applications, or MCAP, and then click View Refresh again to pull up the students who have goals for the MCAP. Again, the process is the same. You are going to just click the little button that allows you to input the scores, choose the date of the test, and then put in the score. Confirm that you want to save the score. Now, I put in a baseline score for that week, so it will not allow me to put that test score in there. So if you mistakenly put in the wrong date, it will catch that for you and allow you to change it, and then submit that score, confirm, and you're all set.